6th, and we are going to tell you what is the work of our project and what are the components of our project. Firstly, our project name is Smart Rain Detective System. The components of the project are servo motor, microcontroller, buzzer, and rain detective sensor. The purpose of making this project is to save clothes from rainwater. First is rain detective sensor. It senses rainwater and passes signals to microcontroller. Then buzzer. Buzzer produces a sound to alert servo motor that rain is going there. And servo motor. The work of servo motor is to save clothes by placing them outside and inside. First, we will connect this cable. Then we will add a drop of water into rain sensor. Then rain sensor will give signal to microcontroller. A buzzer will make a sound to alert servo motor that rain is going. Then servo motor will place the cloths outside and inside to protect them from rainwater. Just like this.